Hello guys, just a quick update on what's happening on here on UGAZ. As I told you in a video I uploaded some minutes ago, it was pushing up. It's a really easy pattern here, which was selling off, pushed up aggressively, a flag, to cool off a little bit the indicators. It's pushing up really quite now. As you can see here in the flag, and as I told you in the video, here I was monitoring this trend line, this descending trend line, and it pushed up, went down. As I always tell you, when it's pushing back, it's good to enter a trade. So you enter the trade right about here, and you close it for this profit, for this high. It pushes right there, and on a 0.71% profit. So as to give you some idea, that's if you trade with, I don't know, $10,000, that's right about $71. So it's a really nice profit for just 5 minutes of trading. So, well, if you want to trade like that, it's really good amount of profit you can make in 5, 10, 15 minutes. Perhaps you can make the 1% ideal for the day. So if you want to make 1%, you can just trade for 15-30 minutes of the day with a previous 30 minutes of analyzing the market and watching what happens. As I always say, this is about patience, about consistency. So do not rush trades. So if you are here and you see that it's just consolidating, as I was doing, I was having lunch while this was happening. And well, while this was happening, I was having lunch. Right about here, I believe, I started filming a video for you guys, and while it was really pushing up, I told you that we'll have to keep an eye on what's happened to this descending trend line. It pushed down again and pushed up, cross above the trend line and push it down. And now I'm uploading another one because I want to show you that this is real, that the descending trend lines I'm breaking up with a high volume. As you can see here, it's a 1 minute chart, and look at this candle of volume, this bar of volume, compared to the other ones about this consolidation. This is people that are doing the same as me, just having lunch or whatever they are doing while watching the market and not doing anything. And after they finish eating, or they see an opportunity, such as here that I was approaching, the bulls take over the market and buy a lot of shares. This is a lot of share buying, and pushes up quite a little bit in 1 minute. And with this kind of volume, it's difficult to fall down so quickly because there are a lot of shares that just have been bought recently. So if it pushes down, people are going to sell off to cut their losses really quick, and that's not going to allow price to fall down like again 1% or 2%. So as you can see here, a lot of people bought. Here it went up as it approached the previous highs. A lot of people this candle of volume is perhaps half people that are buying again in order to think that high highs are going to be arriving soon, and the other half perhaps it's the people that are just closing their trades and taking profit home. That would be me, that would be you. You have to do this, just wait that it breaks above the previous resistance, this descending trend line, pushes up, pulls back, enter the trade, goes up to the previous high, close the trade. That's easy. That's what you have to do. Here it went down again, testing the descending trend line, and continue going up. Let's see if it breaks high highs. I'm going to be pausing the video. I'm going to be back with you if it crosses this trend line. So well, I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Well guys, I'm back. As you can see now, it's really approaching the break of this ascending triangle. As you can see, there was this resistance here at 2645 that it broke above like 10 seconds ago. It went looking for high highs and got rejected. As you can see here, it's really here in the level 2 or in the TD Ameritrade, there's also this kind of bid size or an ask size. As you can see here, there's a really big amount of selling power, and perhaps it's not going to break above, but we'll just have to see if this selling amount just goes away, if it's people trying to go down in the future, or if it's just ones that are long and trying to close their trades. If they see that it's going to continue going up, they won't close their trade. So well, as we can see here, it's this ascending triangle that is not deciding whether we want to go up or not. But well, here there's a resistance that it has tried to broke once, and now it's really touching it. So it's going to either break it or just fall all the way back again to the middle VWAP. I know it's not a small lose here. If you lose here, it's really a medium to big kind of loss. Just perhaps a 1.5% or 2% in the ATNs. Here, let's see, it just broke above, and it's quite undecisive. Look here, it's a really big amount of people that are asking for the price. So this tends to make the price go down. Here, look, it's the 3 digits of volume. Remember that this volume is not there are just 50 shares. It's if I'm not wrong, it's 5,000 shares here, and here it's 11,000 shares. So it's quite a lot of volume that is being asked at the moment. So, and if you look here in the bid size, it's half of it. So I see some difficulty in the price trying to go up, but as you can see in UGAZ, it's the same ascending triangle. Perhaps it's a little bit messy because UGAZ tends to move more aggressively, and it's just not the same as natural gas. But as you can see, it's the same kind of consolidation towards the downside, breaking above and trying to search for higher highs. Here, natural gas is this consolidation to the downside. As you can see here, it's just the downside, breaking above, and just consolidation trying to seek for higher highs. This point is the one that this point is just the one that we are trying to break. But this is a typical move of going up here, then going down and retracing and pushing up again. Here the Thinkorswim platform lets us these Fibonacci extensions that they are really good to close trades. I really like them to close trades because you can click here in the start of the upward movement, click on the finish of the movement, and then go all the way back to the retracement, the lower point here. And as you can see the kind of points that are critical, and a lot of people are seeking in order to close the trades right over there. So well, I'm just going to remove some of these drawings because they are really annoying to see. But well, as you can see here, then I'm going to edit this in order to just show the ones of 50 or above. But well, these ones, as you can see, it's just pushed all the way back again, 38% of this movement. But I always seek, to achieve a 50 or 61, depending on how the retracement was. If this retracement is faster, I always tend to seek for higher price points, because if it just push a lot, then goes up like this, and I will go seeking perhaps the 100 mark. But if it pushes up and then do it a little bit less, and perhaps the 50% mark or the 61 is a good amount. But well, I really see a lot of potential here in UGAZ, but the trade is not it's not developing the way that we want, so perhaps it's just better to leave it there. And as you can see, you could have entered the trade right about let's see, a UGAZ, that's the real symbol that we're going to be trading of. It's just pushing up, going down, and seeing high highs. As we can see with the Fibonacci extensions, I didn't really use it for this kind of little movements, but well, as you see, the 100% is on the higher highs. But well, we are not going to seek for the higher highs. We are only going to seek for a little bit of profit. So if you enter here, we just do a 0.7, I believe that it was. Let's see. Yes, a 0.7% profit. It's really good for some minutes. Let's see. Oh, it's going down. Natural gas is going down. It's going to be selling off. It's selling off. Let's see how it reacts here, and if it's allow us to go higher, or it's just going to fail this high, this double top, and start going down. So well, thanks guys for watching my video. Well, I really enjoy filming this video for you. Well, I hope that you also like them, and please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel to see the latest updates. Well, I'm going to be doing this kind of analysis really quite often, so if you don't want to lose any of the analysis that I make, well, just follow me here on YouTube. I'm going to be uploading them regularly. So well, thanks for